This video right here is a review of the Fotmob app. In this video, I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know about the app, the features and everything. So it's available for Android and iOS. You can hop on Google Play Store if you are using Android to download it. If you're on iOS, you can check that out. So I'm going to show you guys how you can change currency, compare players, add players and teams, and even leagues to your favorites. Change from light to dark theme, notifications and all that. Good. So this is how the interface looks like. It's very simple and easy to use. So at the bottom options, when you tap on the news, you get available news, latest transfers and all that, where the player is from, to the team and all that, the leagues and all. Good. Now tap on the leagues here, and you can also select your favorite leagues here. When you tap on the league, you can tap on championship like this, and then you follow them straight away. So you can see I'm following them, but then you can also come to the following to do all that there. Good. So these are the teams I'm following and the countries I'm following. I'm following a lot. So let me scroll to the bottom. I like this team a lot. I'm following them. They're in Ukraine. And players too, you can switch here and you can select any player of your choice. So now let me select Cristiano. Good. And you see this, their profile, their market value and everything. You can see the market value is in the US. I can change it to euros later. I'll show you guys that later in the video. So that's it. This is their interface and all. Tap on the notification bell icon to be getting notifications from them anytime they are involved in a match, something like that. So news, you can uncheck that. So if you get a red card, I don't want to know about that. And then you tap on that. Good. And now you can compare players too as well. So let's tap on the button you see beside the notifications, and now let's select a preferred player we want to compare. So let me compare him to Yamal. Good. And now let me compare him. Let's use the World Cup. So now let's glance through. So they don't have the World Cup available. Okay, the World Cup is available, but it's 2022. You don't have the 2026 World Cup available. So now let's use the 2025 season and 2025 too as well. So there's it. You get their height, market value, age, and the top statistics here. You can compare them. Good. You can change the player again by just tapping on the player and then you compare another player. That's it. With comparing players, it's a new feature. It was available in SofaScore and the rest, but then they just added it on here. Good. So now let's tap on the more to move to the customization of the app and everything. So they have a premium version to remove ads. That's the Fotmob Plus. You can tap on that to do that. And now let's move to notifications. I've disabled notifications, so when you tap on allow, I just allow notifications from the app, and now I can be getting notifications on here. Now let me tap on settings. So the settings, the first is the theme, just like I said, the dark theme, and switch back to light theme. You can change your interface language to English US. Good. Now let's come to the more again, move to our settings, and now let's switch the currency to, just like I said, you can switch it to euros. When I open Ronaldo's profile, and their measurement, the length of the measurement of the players. If you measurement is also the height of the players. So if you are good with feet, you choose the feet. If you are good with centimeters, you choose centimeters. I think let's go with the feet. Temperature and all that, the alt format and everything. So that's it. Very simple on the Fotmob app. This has a very simple layout and the interface compared to other ones. So now let's tap on notifications. We can adjust our notifications if you want to. So these are the teams you are getting notifications from, 129. So you should know the notifications are going to be a lot. So you can turn them off. Tap on the teams and then you turn it off if you don't want any notifications from these teams. It's up to you, or you can automatically turn off notifications from the mobile phone, so you don't have to glance through all that. So that's it for the app. Very simple. So you open a match like this, you can just check the lineup, see the players and their profiles. You tap on that, you move to the player's profile, heat map and everything. Check the knockout. I think their interface is very nice. When you're going forward, it's very nice. They have a nice interface for that. So that's it about the Fotmob app. If you have any question, you let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.